Hey guys, if you're going to pull a trailer with your Acura MDX, you have to have trailer wiring. It's a requirement by law. Let me show you how easy it is to install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. First thing we're going to do is remove the flooring in the back that covers the cargo area. I'm going to remove 2 body bolts from the back side of the threshold, one right here and one right here. I'm going to be using this trim tool to remove the fasteners on the back side of the threshold here. Now that I've got the fasteners out, I can remove the threshold. Okay, I want to give a quick shout out to Acura for making this so simple. They've already got the towing wiring installed right here behind the threshold. Very easy to get to. So now we're going to remove the plug from the back of the body. Go ahead and take the cover plug off of it. We're going to go ahead and snap this plug into place and put it right back up there on the body again. There are 2 places you can store your 4-flat wiring. You can either store it in the cargo area or you can run it down underneath the car. Today we're going to show you how to run it down underneath the car. Okay, so to get this wiring underneath the car, we're going to use 2 body plugs. We're actually going to remove 2 of them. One of them's right here and one of them's underneath the car. So we're going to go ahead and pull this one out behind the threshold and run the wiring through it and pull it down through the other body plug. Now underneath the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and pull the wiring down. Okay, so now we're going to install this mounting bracket that you could buy from any U-Haul store or from uhaul.com. And we're going to be using a 3/16 drill bit. Now we're going to take our 3/8" socket to tighten these down. So now we're ready to put our grommets back into place. And to do that, we're going to cut a small line right into this grommet right here. And then we're going to install it right up here around the wiring. And just like underneath, we're going to take the grommet and we're going to cut it right here, so it'll fit around the wiring when we reinstall it. Okay, now we got the grommet back in place. I wanted to show you where we tuck the converter box on behind this panel right here to keep it out of the way. And now we're going to put it all back together. All right guys, you're ready to tow. Once again, I'm Sabrina from Indiana. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.